Simulation mode.
Simulation mode.
Hash start, restart. Okay, 25. Start. 02. Start. Close the door. Press 1. And then say OK. Yeah. Now it is executed.
अभी सुन मेरी बात सब क्या होता है
So once it is finishes, it will say completed. So the machine is ready for you to use.
सामने बोला ये नहीं बोला वो लेक्चर भी हमारी गलती है लेकिन लेक्चर बेकार लेक्चर का मैंने जैसे बात तो था क्या ना मेरे साथ नहीं था क्या
Okay, it's completed. It's showing complete there. So now switch off the machine and switch on the machine again. Switch it off. Yeah, that's it.
See it to restart. See it to also restart. See it will start the machine.
Which one? If you also press CA, it will restart the machine.
But then I wanted to find what those readings are.